Greetings, Container Garden and Grow family. We're bringing you guys today's video from inside of our high tunnel greenhouse here in Grow Zone 8B. Most of you guys have been following our channel for a while. With the fact that we have a 20-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse here. And our greenhouse is where we store and grow our more sensitive and cold weather sensitive plants during the fall and winter months. And fall has officially arrived here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. We've seen our daily high temperatures drop by about 10 to 12 degrees here, and we don't expect for our daytime temperatures to get back up into the 90s at any point during this growth season. We expect for our temperatures to get colder and colder and colder here for the rest of this season. So we're taking advantage of moving our now 170-day-old passion fruit vine, our native passion fruit vine here, into our high tunnel greenhouse. As you guys can see, we have it here in this 15-gallon container. We did have that one flower to get actually pollinated on our vine, and it set fruit. And so we have one passion fruit on this vine, although we had probably 15 or 20 flowers earlier in the growth season. Anyway, as I raise this camera up, put you guys in for a close-up, so you guys can see our yellow passion fruit is beginning to actually finally turn yellow for us after seemingly forever being on this vine here. This is what our vine itself is looking like. As you guys recall from our last video update, told you guys we had some issues with pests. We came out and we sprayed our plant with an organic pest control, got rid of all of those pests. And I moved my camera along towards the newer growth on this plant. You guys can see that we don't have any pest issues here on the newer growth. That's because, again, we came out about a month ago and eradicated those pests from our now 170-day-old passion fruit vine that we're currently growing here again in this 15-gallon container right here in the city of Tifton, Georgia. Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. We expect maybe another 2, maybe 2.5 weeks before our passion fruit is actually ripe enough for us to harvest. And we'll bring you guys back in about 2 more weeks and show you what we have growing on at that time with our passion fruit here in our high tunnel greenhouse. Thanks for watching. And if you are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the More You Grow Container Garden, please take a moment to press the subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing our now 170-day-old native passion fruit vine here in our high tunnel greenhouse for the fall and winter months. And at this point, she's looking fantastic. Thanks for watching.